Version 1.21 just came out, and I wanted to demo the new features. This is the canvas I used for the last YouTube video. Here's my idea. Here's where the actual video was. The biggest new feature is Infinite Zoom. Previously, the app had a lot of zoom, but it wasn't actually infinite. Now it just keeps going and going and going. Probably my favorite part of Infinite Zoom is that the lasso and eraser and copy and paste just kind of work. If I move things around with the lasso, they all move and everything is where it's supposed to be. If I rotate or scale with the lasso and zoom back in, everything's where it's supposed to be. And then I can undo it just like any other operation. Up in the top right, we have bookmarks. I have a bookmark to my original idea. So when I tap on that, it jumps to that bookmark. And I have a bookmark for the final scene, all the way zoomed in. If I tap on that, it jumps all the way to the final scene. You can add a bookmark from the menu, or you can add it by long hold and giving it a name. And you can long hold in the menu to reorder bookmarks, or you can tap the three dots to rename them or delete them. If you move bookmarks around, for example, moving this idea bookmark with the rest of the lasso selection, then you can still jump to it. It jumps to the actual icon. One detail there is if you rotate the bookmark, it won't jump to it rotated, it will jump aligned. I figured it would be frustrating if it jumped and was rotated. Kind of a cool little feature that comes along with Infinite Zoom is this auto zoom out. Let me jump to the final scene, and then in the top row, I'll add the zoom out slowly button, and then I'll change the speed to kind of fast. And when I tap it, it will zoom out slowly, which is kind of cool for screen recordings. There was a scene at the end of the last video that used this. Then some older features you may have missed. There's canvas rotation. If you long hold in the top row, there are a couple of locks, like lock rotation, lock all, lock zoom. I'll choose lock rotation. Right now it's locked. If I unlock it, I can rotate the canvas. And if I lock the zoom, then I can only pan. Previously, we had to select images with the lasso by the corners, but now we can tap on images to select them. And that works for bookmarks as well. You can tap on a bookmark and select it. And if you're rotating an image, it will snap to 90 degrees. Let me know in the Discord what features you want to see in 1.22.